Microsoft is going to end support for Windows 10 in less than 1 year from now, and getting the Windows 11 version will need most people to buy a new PC. Yes, the company is unwilling to roll back its compatibility notes for running the new version, which puts millions of existing PC users in big doubt. The company is adamant that its Trusted Platform Module, or TPM 2.0, is a non-negotiable component needed to run the latest Windows version. And if your 3-year-old PC doesn't make the cut, time to dump it. At least that's what Microsoft is trying to say in clear words. So once the Windows 10 support ends in October 2025, you're going to be playing a tricky game with the security or lack of it with the Windows version. Microsoft made it mandatory for the TPM 2.0 earlier, but it was assumed that the company would eventually relent and allow older PCs to run the new version. But the new update suggests that Microsoft is happy to sacrifice millions of PCs that still have plenty of life in the tank. The company says TPM 2.0 is essential for the security of your data, and for that, you'll need to upgrade to the latest PCs available in the market. Windows 11 is getting a host of AI features with the Copilot and PCs, and it's likely that Microsoft feels assured with TPM 2.0, giving them protection against possible data hacks. The company hasn't done a good job of making things simpler for people to understand the need for TPM 2.0 to be available on all PCs. Yes, we get that AI is going to be a core part of its future, but why force it on machines that can't even run these apps? Surely someone needs to rethink the supposed final decision and make lives easier for many users, rather than forcing them to spend on new PCs, which could tempt them to switch to a Mac.